In last videos we starting the second lesson about geography, endogenetic movements. In this lesson we complete some points. Slow movement, monument building movement, then block mountain, rift valley, earthquake. Causes of earthquake: moving of the plates, folding of the plates sliding one below the other. Now we start the focus epicenter. Here, because of the movement occurring below the earth surface, tension is created. Tension is created and it keeps on accumulating. High energy is released at the place where this tension mounts up. This is center of earthquake. It is called focus of hypocenter. It is called as focus of hypocenter. Energy will scatter in all directions from this center. This place on the earth's surface where this energy waves reach first is called epicenter of earthquake. Here student, focus of epicenter. What is the focus of epicenter? Because of movement occurring. Because of movement occurring below the earth's surface, tension is created and it keeps on accumulating. It keeps on accumulating. High energy is related. High energy is related and of the place where tension mounts up. Where tension mounts up. This is center of earthquake. It is called the focus of hypocenter. Energy was scattered in all direction from this center. Energy scatter on direction of this center. This place of earth surface where this energy waves reach first is called epicenter of earthquake. Is called as epicenter of earthquake. It is the nearest place on the earth surface. It is the nearest place on the earth surface from the focus and it experiences the first tremor. The epicenter is perpendicular of the focus. Here student, when the tension is released at the focus, the released energy travel in all direction. This energy comes towards the earth surface in the form of waves. The seismic waves can be divided into primary, secondary and surface wave. Here student, figure point 2.12. The seismic waves can be divided into three parts: primary, secondary and surface waves. Here first part is primary or P waves. First part is primary or P waves. These are the first ones to reach the surface of the earth after the energy is emitted. In the earth interior, they travel at very fast speed from the focus of earthquake in radial direction, subjected to P wave. Subjected to P wave. Particle in the rock movement in the direction waves to and fro. The wave moves to and fro, to and fro. Therefore, these waves are also called forward-backward waves. To and fro means forward and backward direction. So, therefore, these waves are also called as forward-backward waves. These waves can travel through all three states. These waves can travel through all three states: liquid, solid and gaseous. These waves, primary or P waves, can travel through all three waves, can travel on three waves: solid, liquid and gaseous waves. But while traveling through liquid medium, their direction gets changed. While occurring travel through liquid medium, their direction gets changed. It is because of primary waves that building on the earth surface move back to forth. It is because of their direction gets changed. It is because of primary waves that the building on the earth surface moves back to forth. Here complete our primary or P waves. Then secondary or S waves. The waves which reach the earth surface after the primary waves are called secondary waves. The waves which reach earth surface after the primary waves is called secondary or S waves. These waves also scattered in all directions from focus of the equator. These waves also scattered in all direction of focus of the earthquake. Their velocity is lesser than the P waves. Their velocity is lesser than P waves. The particle lying in the way of these waves move up and down in direction of energy transfer. The particles laying way. These waves move up and down in the direction of energy transfer. These waves can travel through only through the solid medium. These waves can travel through solid medium. And the P waves can travel all three states, which liquid, solid and gaseous. but while traveling through liquid medium, their direction gets changed. And here the velocity p lesser than the velocity is lesser than p waves. The particle line waves of these waves move up and down in direction energy transfer. These waves can travel through only solid medium. They get absorbed as they enter the liquid. They get absorbed and enter the liquid. The building on the earth's surface move up and down because of the waves. They are destructive than p waves. The building on the earth's surface wave up and down because these waves. These are more destructive than the p waves. Then third, surface or L waves. Third point is surface or L waves. These waves are generated after main P and S waves. These waves are generated after main P and S waves reach the epicenter. They travel in the direction of circumference of the earth along the crust. They are highly destructive. Destructive means destroy. Seismogram. Through this instrument, in this diagram we see the figure 2.12 types of seismic waves. In this way, here show students, see students, surface, earth surface, focus, primary waves, secondary waves, surface waves and epicenter. Then seismogram. What is meant by seismogram? Through this instrument, it's called as instrument. Through this instrument, a graph showing movement of seismic waves is called seismograph. Can be generated. After studying this graph, the magnitude of the earthquake is shown figure 2.11. In 2.11, we see the figure of simple seismogram and graph. Figure 2.11 shows a simple seismogram and seismograph prepared from is now with the help of modern technology. Advanced seismogram have been designed with their help. Even micro seismic waves can also measure. Here student figure 2.11 simple seismogram and graph. Here measure the graph types of seismic waves. Try this. Then next point is experiment of the weight. Here try this. Hang a heavy bag or pouch on the hook of spring balance as shown in figure 2.13. Here figure 2.13. Pull the bag down, release it. Observe the spring and note the moment of spring. Here we see two diagram of in 2.13 experiment of the weight A and B. Hang a heavy bag or pouch on the hook of a spring balance as shown in the figure 2.13a. Pull the bag down and release it. Pull the bag down and release it. Observe the spring and note the moment of spring. Then as shown figure in 2.14. Yes student, next figure is 2.14. Make the student stand holding the ends of rope. Ask one student to give a jerk to the rope by pulling it up and down with hand. Observe what happened and the note moment of rope. Here figure 2.14. Two boys experiment of rope. They tied the rope and then loose. The student stand holding the ends of rope. Ask the one student to give a jerk to the rope by pulling it up and down with hand. Observe what happened and note the moment of tie. In this figure 2.14 experiment of the rope. Then spread rangoli. Then next figure is rangoli. Figure 2.15 experiment of rangoli. Here students spread rangoli on the large plate. Spread rangoli on a large plate. Click on lower side of the plate slightly with your fingers. Spread rangoli on the large plate. Click on lower side of the plate slightly with your fingers. Observe what happens. After you complete all these three activities given above, compare with each of the seismic waves and identify which activity is similar to which type of wave. At home you try to experiment of 2.13, 2.14 and 2.15. Then next point is effect of earthquake. Effect of earthquake. Cracks, fracture develop on the ground. Due to earthquake, cracks, fracture develop on the ground. Causes landslide which leads to sliding of rock. Sometimes the groundwater changes in its course. Their way. Course means their way. Sometimes the groundwater changes its way. For example, wells may get water or may dry up. Wells may get water or dry up. Some areas get uplifted while some may subside. Some area uplifted or some area is subside. Tsunami are generated in ocean. In ocean, tsunami are generated. These waves can cause great loss of life and property in coastal areas. In last time, tsunami are generated in ocean. These waves can cause of loss of life and property in the coastal areas. In shown covered area, volcanoes may occur. Building collapse and loss of life property occur. Building collapse. Due to earthquake, building collapse and loss of life and property occurs. Transportation routes get disrupted, destroyed. Transport routes are destroyed. Communication system collapse. Communication system also collapse due to earthquakes. These are the effects of earthquake. Give a try, collect information regarding precaution to be taken during an earthquake. Give a demonstration in the class. Collect information and picture related advanced seismograms like one shown figure 2.11. Then next point is volcanoes. Next point is volcanoes. What is meant by volcanoes? Hot, solid, liquid and gaseous material are thrown out from the mantle of the earth onto surface of the earth. Hot, solid, liquid and gaseous material are thrown up from earth on the surface of the earth. This process is called volcanic eruption. This process is called volcanic eruption. Hot, solid, liquid, gaseous material are thrown out from the mantle of the earth onto surface of the earth. Mantle of the earth from the mantle of the earth on the surface of the earth. These solid, liquid and gaseous materials are thrown out. This process is called volcanic eruption. During this process, ash, water vapor, various types of poisonous and inflammable gases, hot molten magma, etc. are thrown out. When the molten magma comes out on the surface is called lava. On the basis of type of eruption, volcanoes can be divided following types. On the basis of type of eruption, volcanoes can be divided into following types. This type we complete on next period. Central type of conical volcano, fissure type volcanoes. These types we complete on next period.